Now, the MMC for Public Safety, Dr. Mgcini Chwaku, has publicly confirmed that authorities will take action regarding the street bash incident that took place in Diepkloof around Soweto that was organized by individuals linked to Sean 101. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. A 19-year-old attendee was fatally shot, leaving the community shocked and grieving. Dr. Mgcini Chwaku announced that he will be opening a formal case against organizers of the street bash. Now, this move follows an investigation into the circumstances that allowed the shooting to happen at the event. Now, the MMC's statement signals that the organizers could be held legally accountable for failing to ensure safety or for any negligence connected to the event's security arrangements. So authorities want to investigate the role of the organizers in the shooting incident, determine if there was any failure in crowd control or security measures, and also hold responsible parties accountable for the tragic loss of life, and send a strong message that safety at a public event is non-negotiable. The community of Soweto is deeply affected and calls for justice for the young victim, and also event organizers across Soweto and beyond may face stricter regulations and scrutiny. This incident raises important questions about how to ensure safety at large gatherings, especially where young people and music culture intersect. Now, this case will proceed through legal systems with potential court hearings to follow. And also, just to add, Sean 101 and friends allegedly issued an official statement to the media. Now, the statement read, "We would like to address the tragic incident that occurred on the morning of the 11th December in Diepkloof, Soweto." And it also states that we have been informed of an attack that took place in a few streets away from the event venue, shortly after the event had officially concluded this morning, resulting in several individuals being robbed, 3 people hospitalized, and the devastating loss of 1 life. We extend our deepest and heartfelt condolences to the family and loved ones of the deceased during this painful time. We also wish those injured a full and swift recovery. What are your thoughts?